Reverse field, online. I lost this game. It don't matter though. Just wanted to show y'all something real quick. It was only 7 seconds left, and he picked 3-man deep, right? Alright, here we go. Reverse field. Maybe y'all want to see that again. Smoke that shit. The best runner in the world. I'm shocked too, you know what I'm saying? I'm amazed too at what just happened. Oops, my bad. Let me get on Reggie now. Alright, here we go. Like I said, online. Reversing field on a 3-man deep. Alright, that should be called the classic man. Just, one more time for the mind. Hold up. I does this shit all day. Niggas know me. If you don't know me, subscribe me. Tell your friends about me. I can't wait till the Madden 15 come out.